prison, that's where their cases are resolved. So if you are charged with a felony, that case comes to Superior Court and is heard by a Superior Court judge who decides your sentencing based on a chart that is specifically set based on your prior convictions and whether or not you've ever been convicted of anything before. That determines what type of sentence you would get based on the type of offense that you were charged with. So my name is Baxton, and I am running for Superior Court. I have been an assistant public defender for 19 years. Started there in 1999, and 1 year after joining that office, I was promoted to Superior Court, where I have been doing nothing but the serious felonies. I am currently the senior assistant, and I've done that for 12 years, which means I have a caseload of major felonies, and I manage the office in the absence of my boss, who is Lawrence Campbell, the chief public defender. In addition to that, I teach at North Carolina Central's Law School, and I also teach at the School of Government, training lawyers and law students on how to prepare cases, civil and criminal cases for trial. So the important thing about a Superior Court judge is making sure that everyone who enters the courtroom has access to justice. That is why I'm running. I want to make sure that everyone, regardless of their race, gender, status, or the amount of money they have in the community, or the status of their attorney, whether or not it's a public defender like me or an attorney that they hired, I want to make sure that that person who is standing in court is treated fairly with dignity and respect, and that each person is given the individual attention and time that they deserve for their cases to be heard and decided in a fair and equitable manner based on their circumstances. So that is why I'm running for Superior Court judge. Superior Court judges are a little different from District Court judges because they rotate every 6 months. They're in their home district maybe 6 months, and then after that, they are assigned to surrounding counties where they are in those counties for 6 months handling cases in those counties. And they recently changed our district where we can travel as far as Dare County, which is heading way east down to the beach, which is kind of where I'm from because I grew up in Roper, North Carolina, but I've been in Durham County since 1995. So Superior Court is important, and I know you were geared towards District Court, but if you are 16 and unfortunately get charged with a felony that the district attorney doesn't decide to reduce to a misdemeanor, then you could end up in Superior Court at 16. So, that's it. I'll see any questions you have.